Hi, my name is Hector Valdez. I work for Compass Real Estate, and welcome to Nirvana. I'm joining you here today at our beautiful unit in Nirvana to show you everything that Nirvana is about. One of the first things that you'll notice when you walk into Nirvana is the amazing lush tropical background. There's beautiful landscaping all through the grounds. You can walk through, really enjoy it, and feel really submersed in almost a tropical rainforest feel. On the grounds, just nearby, you have a fully equipped business center and restaurant for those late nights when you just want to grab something to eat without going out. As you walk through the grounds, you'll actually end up in the pool area. The pool is quite amazing. It actually faces the bay and you can see beautiful views of Miami Beach and other islands nearby. It's a perfect opportunity to really indulge and actually kick back, enjoy the sun, enjoy the pool, and make the most of it. It's quite a unique place in Miami. As you enter C209, which is our exclusive Compass listing, one of the first things that you'll notice is the beautiful tile wood floors. These floors are actually porcelain, they're quite durable and really beautiful, and are actually throughout the entire unit. The owners spared no expense to ensure that every square inch of this unit was completely remodeled and fully realized. One of the other things that you'll notice are the beautiful crown molding throughout the entire unit. This unit has impact windows and doors. You'll also notice plantation shutters in the bedrooms, which are really beautiful and are perfect for privacy and if you want to sleep in. The kitchen has been remodeled as well. You have beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and gleaming white quartz countertops. The bathrooms have also been remodeled. The guest bathroom has been beautifully done, and more importantly, the master bathroom has been completely redone where it's completely open. You have dual sinks, and it's a beautiful thing to walk into as you walk into the master suite. One of the great things that I really love about Nirvana is the close proximity to the MIMO district. The MIMO district actually stands for Miami Modernism. It's exhibit in all the beautiful architecture that was created there from the 1950s and 1960s in a lot of the businesses, the motels, and a lot of them have been converted to restaurants. It's really easy to walk to. You have a Starbucks right up the street from Nirvana, which I personally go to all the time and I absolutely love, as well as Panther Coffee. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to share it with friends and family, and if you have any questions about Nirvana or would like to see it in person, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to meet you.